Ferris, come on. My name is Veronica Robertson and I work for Delta Society. I'm their National Marketing and Fundraising Manager and I also volunteer for them. The main thing that Delta is known for is our Delta Therapy Dogs program. That's where people, owners and their dogs, volunteer and go into hospitals, nursing homes, aged care facilities, mental health facilities. We even have a couple of prisons on the books. They go in and they spend time with residents and patients and make people feel better. That's definitely the program that we're most well known for. Ferris and I visit the Children's Hospital at Randwick. Usually in the morning, Ferris will have a bath. And then just before we leave, I'll give her a brush and I'll brush her teeth.
Good girl. It's all right. It's all right.
I'll put her little uniform on her. That's a bandana. At that point, she knows where she's going and she gets very excited. Then we jump in the car and go over to Randwick. When the dog comes in the room, it's about making them smile, making them laugh, giving them something to play with and offering a distraction from the day-to-day life that they're experiencing in the hospital, which, as you can imagine, isn't always very pleasant.
Hey, she's waving at you. Oh, you're waving back. Very good.
It gives them the opportunity to talk about their own dogs, to think about their own dogs, and it's also, it takes away from the clinical environment of a hospital.
Hi.
We've got a particularly touching story that we love to tell in Delta. There was once a child who was too scared to go into the operating theatre one day. He needed to have an operation and he just didn't want to go in. So the nurses called one of the therapy dogs from Delta and asked them to come in to make the little boy feel better. So the dog went in, it was a little pug. It jumped up on the bed with the boy and the boy was instantly relaxed. The dog went all the way into the operating theatre with him and stayed with him until he was under anaesthesia. So it's stories like that that make you realise how much of an impact a dog can have on a simple visit to a hospital. It makes sick people feel well or feel relaxed or feel calm, and that's what makes it all worthwhile.